When was the last time you were touched exactly the way your body wanted to be touched? When was the last time you asked? It takes courage to ask. It takes deep listening to yourself and trusting what you hear and valuing it. Listening to your own body, your own want. Sometimes it's time to put yourself last and go with what others want. And sometimes it's time to put yourself first and ask for what you want. And if the other person says, yes, this is a gift for you. This is receiving. There's an art to receiving that no one teaches us. We think we're supposed to like whatever happens to us and be thankful for it, but we've got it backwards. The thing to ask yourself is not, why don't I like this? The thing to ask yourself is, what is it I actually want instead? When you ask for that and the other person says yes, it touches your heart and feeds your soul. It starts with listening to yourself.